Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Ryanair app and signing in. This makes your bookings available. Once signed in, tap Bookings and select the flight you want to check in. Make sure your passport or ID details are at hand because you will enter them now. If you don't have an account, use the booking reference and email to access the reservation, then proceed to the check-in button displayed on the flight tile. Next, you confirm each passenger's name and select the passenger to check in. Carefully enter document numbers, nationality, and expiry dates. Errors here cause denied boarding. Once done, choose seats or add bags if needed. The app shows prices and seat map. Make sure to review the pre-filled data and correct any mistakes before continuing. Tap Continue to progress to the payment screen for paid extras, or proceed directly to boarding pass generation. Finally, you'll receive the boarding pass. Tap to download or add it to your phone wallet and save an offline copy. This prevents issues with poor signal at the airport. Once downloaded, verify gate, boarding time, and any entry requirements shown in the app. If the app fails to generate the pass, force close and reopen the app, retry check-in via the mobile browser, or use airport kiosks as a fallback. Keep your ID ready and proceed to security once you have the pass.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.